Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Dhaatri Handicrafts. My name is Shweta. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this type of terracotta pendant. It's a very simple pendant which can be made by anyone absolutely, and it's beginner friendly. The design isn't that intricate, so let's begin then. To make this, we need some clay. I had wrapped it in a piece of damp cloth to make sure that it doesn't go dry. We need to knead the clay thoroughly to remove any kind of air bubbles which are trapped inside. Roll it into a ball and gently press it down. Place it on the working surface. Now, to make sure that I have even width across, what I've done is I have taken 3 popsicle sticks and I have stacked them, then wrapped them with a tape, any kind of tape will do. I've used masking tape over here. Okay, now I need to take the rolling pin, just roll out the clay. We can apply a little bit of coconut oil all around the rolling pin to make sure that the clay doesn't stick to the rolling pin. And like how you roll out the chapati or puri, that's exactly what we're going to do here. Gently roll it out. In case you find any air bubbles trapped inside, you just have to remove them. I'm going to use a knife over here and then remove the air bubbles. It's important to remove the air bubbles, otherwise there is a tendency of the clay exploding in the process of firing it. We can also dampen our fingers and smooth out the surface of the clay to make sure that we have a smooth finish. We're going to do the same on the other side as well, so that we can even out any cracks which have been formed over the clay. That looks good. I'm going to roll one last time to make sure that it is evenly spaced out. Okay. I'm going to use this cutter. This is a circle cutter. You can use any round object to cut out the clay. I've applied a little bit of coconut oil all around it. Press it down and remove the excess. Using this kind of knife, I'm going to smoothen the surface once again. I have a few more circle cutters. These are the cutters that I'm going to use to make these impressions. You can space them as per your requirements. I'm going to put one more semicircle around it. This will be the last one. The best part about terracotta jewelry is you can customize it as per your requirements, and it is, like I always say, it is eco-friendly, so there will be no regrets using them or making them. because these are not going to cause any harm to the environment. You can use a round nozzle to make these impressions. These are tiny circles. So we're almost done. Okay, now I'm going to take the lid of a sketch pen, the cap of the sketch pen, and I'm going to put a tiny circle over here. Okay, that's pretty much it. You can also put tiny dots all around it. It will give a detailed finishing. Now the pendant is ready. We need a pin on the top of the pendant to put the rope, or you call it a rope or an extension, whatever it is. You need to put the pin right over here. Okay, so to make the pin we need nichrome wire, nose plier. I have already shown in my previous videos to how we make a U pin, and it's a very simple process. Now we want these impressions to appear on the side of the pendant, so we are not going to place the pin right in the center over here, but along this side. Okay, now I'll quickly show you how to insert the U pin. Okay, so this is how we make the pendant. You can make the beads of your choice, and once this dries up completely, you need to fire it and color it as per our requirements. And like I always say, the best part about terracotta is you can customize the jewelry as per your requirements. It can go well with ethnic as well as western wear. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you everyone once again for stopping by and watching my video today as well. And I really request the people who have joined me for the first time to please subscribe to my channel, because I'll be coming up with many such videos. Alright, you all have a wonderful day ahead. Have a nice time. Bye bye.